Okay, today we're going to take a look at another Zippo, and our wine sponsor of the day is same as a couple days ago. It was French Lick. That's a family-owned world-class wine business located in southern Indiana. And I tried the red wine last time, and it's a really sweet wine, but if you pour it over ice, it's acceptable. I mean, it's drinkable. So this week I'm going to try the French Lick white wine, both made in the USA. I'm sure it'll be really good over ice. So let's take a look at this Zippo. Came in the normal Zippo black box, and it says Day of the Dead above the barcode. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA. It's got the idiotic P65 warning, and it is made in Bradford, PA. So there is another Day of the Dead Zippo. Pretty much the same as the yellow one. Now this yellow one, this is from, let's see, it looks like 2011, and this one is J of 21. Really good stampings on the purple one. It's got a steel insert. Got a really good sound. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this skull. Well, it bounces good. See one more attempt to hit the target. Okay, so there is the Day of the Dead Zippo. Good drop test. It's a novelty, but it's nice. Good collectible. And today we're giving some cowbell to the French Lick Made in USA Wine Company in French Lick, Indiana, and of course Made in America or Made in the USA Zippos always deserve cowbell. Knuckle bump.